Hello and welcome to my second YouTube video. Today I am sharing a plan with me video. This feels so surreal. I would watch these kind of videos so many times on YouTube, and it's just really great to be on the other side of the bullet journaling community. So the theme that I chose for April was engagement based because April marks the first anniversary of my engagement with my partner, and coincidentally April is also the month that we started dating. So April is a really special month for me. Here I am just making a really big diamond ring. I used some random circular objects around my house to make the band, and I just doodled a diamond on top of it. Here I'm using a Staedtler pink marker pen to write the name of the month. I've used this pink marker pen throughout the setup to have a uniformity. Here I am using a washi tape at the edge of the month. So I like using washi tape at the edge of each month so that I can very easily find the month that I'm currently in right now. I don't have to flip through a lot of pages. I've just put down some stickers, engagement themed, party themed stickers. So I've tried something new here. I am using a Fevistick in some of my makeup to add some color and shine to the diamond. I started off with the white eyeshadow but was not showing through at all. So then I'm using a pink one, and I just like how it adds so much character. I'm also using another eyeshadow with some sparkles that is not visible in the frame right now. And I'm adding some scotch tape on top of that so that it doesn't imprint on the other side of the page. And I'm using some sparkle pens to just finish off the diamond ring. And here we are, the cover page of April. I love how simple yet it has so much character. Let's move on to the next page. I plan all my months with the pencil so that I don't make any mistakes when I'm doing it with the pen. Here I'm just making a month at a glance, monthly layout sort of thing with the calendar. I am placing 3 days of the week on the left side of the page and 4 days on the right, just outlining everything with my Faber-Castell fine liner pens. I'm using the same Staedtler pink marker pen to write the name of the month, and I've doodled a champagne bottle and 2 glasses to mark the cheer of this month. I'm using the color blue to write 6 because it's been 6 years of our dating, and blue is sort of our color. I'm also using some red and pink hearts with some blue hearts. I'm using my Tombow blue brush pen to write down Bao. It is a nickname that we use for each other. All of these little things that have been constant through the start of our dating. Just wanted to reflect all of that in the monthly setup. I'm using a golden Staedtler marker pen to outline the speak bubble, and further outlining it with a black midliner pen. I'm coloring in the 6 with the Tombow blue brush pen. Just adding some dimension and filling in here and there. I'm using the Faber-Castell midliner pens to write down the names of the week, and I'm using a baby pink Tombow brush pen to write down the dates. Here I stuck a note to myself sticker which is not visible in the frame unfortunately, and I'm writing a note to myself because I have a lot to do this month and I get overwhelmed easily, and to remind myself that I can manage everything. And this is the monthly layout setup. Let's move on to the next spread. This is sort of a monthly to-do spread where I'm writing down all the tasks I have to do in the month, all the calls I have to make, all the shoots that I've planned, and the upload schedule that I will have. That will include both Instagram and YouTube, whatever I need to post, so that I can know how often I'm posting and what changes I need to make to be regular. So here I've just stuck a phone sticker and a to-do sticker on top of the respective bubbles, and I've just made a bubble for all the shoots that I've planned, and I'm adding a fun doodle with a magnifying glass and a heart to go with the theme of the month. I'm using the same Staedtler pink marker pen to write down the upload schedule, and just writing out the dates and the days corresponding to that so that I can know the weekends and the pattern of how I'm posting. I'm using the Tombow red brush pen to mark the weekends and the same brush pen to make the heart in the magnifying glass. And here is the monthly tasks layout, very minimal but to the point and clear so that I can know what I have to do. The next page is the trackers page where I track my habits, my sleep, my water intake, my mood, stress, and all of that. For my habits, I use a grid tracker. I'm just really used to that. This is generally a lot of work, but I cannot work with anything else. And for my sleep, water, I use a graphical tracker. I just like how it shows how low or high I am in the days. I'm just using a fine liner to draw the grid. And unfortunately, here is where my camera lost battery, did not record further. I used the Staedtler pink marker pen to write down the trackers and used another fine liner to write down the dates of the month. And I wrote a small quote to remind myself that consistency is key. And unfortunately, when I sat down to record the remaining spreads, I did not pay attention that my camera was not in focus. So this footage is a little blurry. I'm really sorry for that. Here I am just making a gratitude spread. Each month I do this so that every day I can just write down 2 or 3 things that I'm grateful for to remind myself that I have a lot to be grateful for every day. I'm just using the Tombow pink and BB pink brush pens to mark the dates of the month, and I'm using a Faber-Castell fine liner pen to outline the table. Here I'm using the Faber-Castell fine liner pen in the size 0.1 to give it a notepad sort of effect. And I'm using the same Staedtler pink pen to write down the title of the page, giving it some shadow and dimension. And using the Faber-Castell fine liner to write down the dates of the month. On the next page, I'm making an expense tracker. It is very simple. You can look up online what kind of tracker works for you. This is the sort of tracker that works for me. And on the right hand side, I'm making a large Polaroid where at the end of the month, I will be writing down my reflections, whatever I went through in the month, what were my learnings, what I can improve in the next month, sort of a journal entry. And we are done with all the spreads. I am just adding some stickers and stamps here and there to add some fun elements in my bullet journal. And here is the final flip through. I'm really excited for this month. April is my favorite month. It has brought me a lot of happiness in the past. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, like, share, save this video for future reference if you ever wanna have a similar spread, and I will see you in the next video.